In my next video, I'll be doing a full walkthrough on how I created this VFX shot for the Digital Academy. It's a full free class showing how you can use match moving and compositing like this in your own independent films and creative projects. The entire process is straightforward, but it requires testing, trial and error, and most importantly, time. There are multiple ways to accomplish a VFX shot like this, and I'll be showing you one of those ways without the use of generative AI. Finding the right footage, tracking the shot, and then compositing your elements in a believable but creative way is the overall goal. In the full class, we'll be using Adobe After Effects as the main software, and for some of the compositing elements, we'll be using the Production Crate library. Follow the Digital Academy and the Digital Compass YouTube channels to catch the premiere of this VFX session, and see you in the next one.